Commanders, welcome the new event, Flowers on the Waves. Event rules and rewards. Destroy enemy ships in online battles, earn tokens, and contribute to the community goal. All players' destructions are counted together to unlock global rewards. To receive the community goal reward, each player must reach the minimum personal activity goal. Progressing through personal activity also grants valuable in-game resources and unique rewards. This time, among the personal rewards are exclusive customization items, the Captain Billy Crutch decal, the Gunpowder Plot camouflage, and the epic South African helicopter Me-24 Superhind. Full speed ahead toward the community goal, Commanders.